Join me as I jump headfirst into 2024, testing out some proven strategies to see if I can really boost my business using ChatGPT and some killer marketing techniques. It's clear that artificial intelligence is shaking up the marketing world in a big way. One AI tool that's getting a lot of buzz is ChatGPT, a powerful language model that's all about generating human-like text. But what does that mean for us? And how can we actually use ChatGPT to take our marketing game to the next level? Let's be real. Competition in the marketing world has never been tougher. Businesses are battling it out for attention in a super crowded online space. One of the biggest challenges we all face is creating content that actually clicks with our target audience. Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters, coming up with fresh, engaging ideas that really get people talking is a constant struggle. And then there's the whole getting to know your audience thing. Who are these people? What do they really want? How can we make sure our messaging speaks directly to them? Without a deep understanding of who we're talking to, there's a big risk that our messages will just fall flat, wasting time and money along the way. Content creation itself is another major hurdle. With everyone expecting high-quality videos, podcasts, and eye-catching graphics, the pressure is on to deliver. But creating all that awesome content takes time, money, and a ton of expertise, not exactly resources every business has in abundance. Then, just to keep things interesting, we have the need to analyze and interpret mountains of data. It's no wonder so many businesses are feeling overwhelmed by everything modern marketing demands. So naturally, we're all on the lookout for some innovative solutions to stay ahead. This is where ChatGPT comes in and changes the game. For starters, it can generate high-quality content at scale. Imagine cranking out blog posts, social media updates, and even customer responses without getting bogged down in the day-to-day grind of content creation. ChatGPT can also help us engage with customers in a more personalized way, offering 24/7 support and quick responses to their questions. But there's more. ChatGPT can analyze huge amounts of data to provide insights that help us make smarter marketing decisions. Whether it's spotting trends, predicting sales, or finding areas that need improvement, ChatGPT gives us the power to make decisions based on real data, not just gut feelings. Let me share a quick story about a company called XYZ Inc. They jumped on the ChatGPT bandwagon and used it to generate content, interact with customers, and analyze data. The result? They boosted their conversion rates by an incredible 30%. What's even more impressive is that they did this without blowing their budget, using ChatGPT to support their existing marketing team, rather than replacing it. The big takeaway from XYZ Inc.'s success: ChatGPT isn't some magic fix for all your marketing challenges, but it's a powerful tool that, when combined with human creativity and expertise, can really drive results. By adding ChatGPT to our marketing toolkit, we can free up more time and resources to focus on the stuff that really matters, like building strong relationships, driving innovation, and delivering real value to our customers. So, what does this mean for your business? By integrating ChatGPT into your marketing strategy, you can boost efficiency, increase engagement, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, the potential benefits of using ChatGPT are pretty hard to ignore. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you've got thoughts on ChatGPT and how it can be used in marketing, drop them in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more ways to boost your business using AI, check out our next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips and strategies to help you crush it in 2024.